You see how it's nice and flat. It's gonna be 100% perfect. I'm going level this room. So if you see here, I put my laser showed the bottom transmitter showed quarter-inch from the ground floor. You see, quarter-inch. So this is highest spot. So I will play from this spot. So I mean, from this spot I have to make it even. And if you have a look on this line, you see line, here is around inch, and then it's going less and less and less, and so around all the way, approximately same level, like this high spot. Also, this side in the closet is lower. So why it's happened like this? Because right here, all the way beam and whole floor is twisted. So what I wanna do? First of all, I will grind, clean up whole place from the mud and dust, and then I will put primer T. It's specially primer for wood subfloor. So for Mapei, you see this primer T. Now it's pink color. If you saw my videos for wood subfloor, I'm always using T primer. Instead of for concrete, I'm using L primer. Okay, let's go. So first of all, need to clean up the place. Here is still not grinding yet, but this room I already take all mud from the floor, make it rough. I can apply primer. So first of all, before I do primer, I want to put foam around the wall, and also I want to lift it up, unscrew the heater and put it up a little bit to put foam under. So here is the foam what I'm using for protect the walls and leave a expansion gap. Gasket foam. I'm buying it in lumber store. And go ahead. And I'm using these staples. I lifted up this heater and now I can put foam under. I'm gonna check some nails up. I'm using this roller put primer for primer. It's just $7. Use it to assemble. That's it.
I'm putting silicone here under the foam. This is the very important part of a leveling process, because when you put silicone, you avoid any leaks downstairs. Also, I need to fill up all plywood joints and cracks.
Now I'm going to set up tripods. Here is tripods, you see. Somewhere here.
Now I'm moving laser level to see the high spot on the left side.
Okay.
When I set up tripods, I'm matching bottom plate on the central bolt of tripods with laser line. This is exactly how much self-leveling compound I have to put.
Also this side.
So I start mixing self-leveling compound for 3 bags. I already put first of all bucket of water, and then I put 3 bags of self-leveling compound. Don't forget, do it water first and then self-leveling compound.
You see, there is concrete attached plate, bottom plate of tripod, so it's come to the level, you see. Another one not still yet.
don't forget clean up your tools. This is very important part too. Now I'm overlapping with self-leveling compound this hump to avoid any low spots when concrete will dry. Roller, very important tools. It helps me minimize all imperfection when I pour self-leveling compound and make surface very flat.
You see, very deep. And just smash it. Would make waves and it spread very flat. See? Here is still deep. Here's okay.
Keep caulk always not far from you, because very often you need to use it.
Sometimes we have some holes very small and it's not visible. You see how it's nice and flat.
I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I will always answer you. See you on next video.